What's up guys, Daniel here, trade crypto time at gmail.com. 380% made in the last 48 hours. Trade crypto members, we trade Decentralized Social, UNIZEN, Sun, HORD, VAIOT. Guys, 380%, that's the shots we are looking for. Price go flat, volume spike, and buy a power pump right here, and you buy low and sell high. We don't buy and hold, guys. If you are buy and hold, this is the wrong channel for you. Okay, also I always say that we trade based on volume. Take a look at this volume: 7 million, 6 million, 206 million, 597,000, 3.7 million. Guys, if I made $38,000, you can make the same profits I do. Just copy my trades. Okay, also we can alert you when you should buy and sell the main cryptos as a swing trade. Okay, by the way, today let's talk about swing trade. Let's go to, let me show you the trades we trade when the people ask for, we can trade for you. Like, that's the trades we share on our platform, and we advise for trade crypto members to buy and do a swing trade. We talk about, look how many trades we share. We find so many trades, guys, because my software trade crypto is tracking 3,000 coin at the same time. 3,000 coin, guys. Take a look at this. This is all profitable. Take a look, this is the 7-day charts here, 7 days and 30 days. This is a swing trade strategy, guys. When you become a member, I'm gonna share with you a free platform. Okay, by the way, you don't have to become a member to get this free platform. Feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. But when you become a member, I'm gonna share the free platform with you, like this training view. But this platform is for free. Okay, and I'm gonna teach you the swing trade strategy. But if you don't like to trade, guys, we can trade for you. Okay, we do a swing trade strategy. That's the trades we share on the private list, and also we did the swing trade. Take a look at this. It's all green. Elaros, we made a lot of money in Elaros. Okay, now let's talk about Bitcoin. Like I mentioned in my last video, we're still under the resistance. Okay, this is the resistance here. We gotta respect the market, but at the same time, I see the RSI on the 4 hours going down. Let's respect the market, guys. Let's go to a weekly chart to see what's going on at the weekly chart. The weekly chart doesn't change much, but you see this big wick here. This big wick here, that means bearish. We still on the bearish times, okay? But I see a lot of volume here. But I will alert you when you should buy and sell Bitcoin. Feel free to reach me out anytime. Tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.